Okay, hi again. Okay. So our next topic is gonna be problems involving quadratic functions. So in problems involving quadratic functions, we have to remember that if we're talking about what or height, we are gonna use our k formula. And if it's when or the time, we're gonna use our h formula. So I have an example here. A baseball is tossed into the air. Its height in meters after seconds is given by ht equals to negative t squared plus 8t. Okay, so our first step is getting the values of our formula. Getting the values of basically our formula, which is ht equals to negative 4 t squared plus, di na kasya, 8t. Okay, so let's get our values here. Since our value for a is always gonna be the number with the square there. So the number with the square in our formula is negative 4. So automatically, our a is negative 4. And b is equals to 8t because the value of b always the number with a variable next to it. So that is 8. But where's our c? How will we find our c? Our c, if the equation does not include a number for our c, then the c will remain the value of 0. There. Okay, so let's apply these values in the h and k formula. So step 2, solve using h and k. So first, let's start with h. So h is equals to negative b over 2a. Okay, let's substitute. So h is equals to negative 8 over 2, value of a is 4. And then 2 times negative 4 is negative 8 too. So let's put negative 8 over negative 8. Since they're both, it has even number of a negative sign, it will become positive, and 8 divided by 8 is just 1. So this one right here is 1 second. But basically our h is 1 second and we have our time. Let's try naman for height. So k equals to 4 ac over minus b squared over 4a. So let's substitute 4, value of a 1, value of c 0, minus value of b is 8. So since it's positive, no more parentheses, squared over 4, value of a negative 4. So let's solve. So 4 times 1 is 4, and 4 times 0 is 0. 8 squared will be just 8 squared will just remain as 64. Negative because it has one negative sign, which makes it an odd number of negative signs, which is a negative, over 4. Negative 4 times 4 is negative 16. Okay, since this is a 0, we'll just cut that off So our equation will become negative 16 divided by negative 64 pala, divided by 16. So, since it's an even number of negative sign, it will become a positive, and then 16 divided by 4. So, dividing, I can teach you that in another time, but to cut it short, 64 divided by 16 is just 4, because it takes 4 16s to make 64. So, let's put it there, 4. And since it's a height, it has a unit, which is meters. So 4 meters. And that is our height and time. Our h is 1 second, which is our time, and our height is 4 meters, and that is how we find the time and height. This is just version 1. There's a version 2. Version 1. There's a version 2 where we find a maximum product and the two numbers, which is what we're gonna do right now. I just have to write the given. Okay.